Hey guys, I just came across a one-page website that makes $55,000 per month. And yes, that's right, they just have one page on their website.
That website is this website. It's called vclock.com. That's the main page. You see your local time and you can set an alarm. Let me show you how it sounds. Of course, you can change the sounds like cuckoo. Okay, that's cool. If you go down below, you can set an alarm just by clicking this button. That's it. Now you're confused, Mosh. How do you know they make money? Before money, we need to understand you cannot just print money. Money is in other people's wallet. It only comes to you when you sell something to them, including ad spots. In this website, there is something called display ads. And these ads are from Google. So basically, Google pays them rent for this ad spot. So the other people right here is Google. The question is, why would Google pay them? Or how is it possible? How can you do it? The answer is what you are selling to Google should be something that Google is looking for. And Google wants traffic. Now I went to an analytics site. This website or this platform analyze other websites, and the result it's showing is mind-blowing. This vclock website has 9.1 million monthly visitors or monthly traffic. Look at the graph. And they had up to 17 million visits on July 2024. And here is something extremely important. 100% of their traffic are organic or free traffic. So they do not spend a single penny on advertisement. Wow, 9.1 million visitors. Now you're confused, Mosh. How do you know these guys are making money? Well, the traffic is amazing. Without money, this website means nothing. So where is the money? For this, I came to this AdSense revenue calculator. It will give you an approximate number, not 100% right, but it's pretty close to real. To use this website, I need this daily page impressions. So I went to another website called similarweb.com, and here I found 5.32 page visits per visitor. And they're showing a little less traffic, which is 5.57 million monthly visitor. Well, I'll just take this one and I'll use a calculator and multiply 5.579 times 5.32 page visits times 1 million divided by 30 to get the daily numbers. And it's 989342. So I put this number here. And then according to country CTR and CPC, approximate CTR of United States is 0.75% and CPC is 61 cents. So I put these numbers here and guess what? It says this website makes $4,526 per day just from these tiny display ads. That's it. Now you might be confused, Mosh, what is the use of this website? Why would people even visit this website? Let's go and see what kind of keywords people are using to search and find this website. Here we go. These are the SEO keywords. People look for stopwatch, clock timer, set timer for 20 minutes, 15 minutes timer, time for 5 minutes, set alarm, timer for 10 minutes, 10-minute timer, timer for 10 minutes. This website ranks on top of Google for all these keywords. These are important keywords for people. Have you ever thought about it? Well, I didn't, but the creators of this website thought about it. They thought, why not we make a simple website just to help these people and do everything required in terms of SEO or search engine optimization to put it on top of Google. So these people find the website, visit the website, and eventually help them make money. Now another question. How would you know the importance of these keywords? How do you know the importance of this website? So you can understand the psychology of your visitors and mimic something like that. For that, just copy the website URL, go to this 100% free AI platform called deepseek.com. and type this prompt. Explain with bullet points, step by step in 6th grader's language, what's the importance of this website? And put the URL of this website and hit enter. Now this AI is thinking, it's finding the data and analyzing. And now look at this. It's giving you all the informations you need. It's a free online clock. You can use it to check the current time without needing a physical clock or watch. Helps with time management. You can set timers or alarms to remind you when to take breaks, study, or finish tasks. World clock feature. You can see what time it is in different countries. Stopwatch tool. You can time yourself for activities like sports, homework, or games to see how fast you can finish. Easy to use. Great for school or work. Have you thought about this? Well, I didn't. That's the purpose of AI. using AI to learn faster. Now you're confused again. Mosh, why are you using DeepSeek instead of Google's Gemini or ChatGPT? It's because I do use ChatGPT, and there is a brand new feature on ChatGPT that is called ChatGPT Tasks. You can schedule some tasks, and ChatGPT reminds me twice a day about the advancements of AI because I set it up that way. And just a few minutes ago, I got a notification from ChatGPT that DeepSeek's AI breakthrough and market impact. It says the rise of DeepSeek has spurred a global sell-off in technology shares with significant declines in companies like Nvidia and Microsoft. Investors are expressing concerns about the US maintaining its AI leadership. So DeepSeek is a big deal. So when I go and use DeepSeek, I get better results than ChatGPT or even Google's Gemini. Let me ask, how is this website making money? Okay, now look at the answer. It says ads on the website, and we know it. Affiliate links, well, we didn't find any yet. Donations and premium features, traffic value. For me, this first one makes absolute sense. But if you were not aware of this advertisement thing, then you could have learned yourself using AI. Now that makes sense? Now let's go back to money. And if you're saying, Mosh, I want to make this money. I want to make the same website. It's super simple. Just type code the same website for me with all necessary instructions on how to install for a complete beginner and hit enter and see what happens. It's literally writing the code for you step by step. Now it's on step 3, then it's going to step number 4, step number 5, how to run your website, step 6, how to install the code editor, step 7, share your website. Every single thing. The question is, do you really need this website? You saw what people are looking for. You saw the mindset behind it. You saw the use of this website. And this simplest website is working. They're making tons of money. Literally $4,526 per day. Question is, can you do it? Let me show you something. Go to Google and search with one of the keywords, stopwatch. And you do not find vlog on top of the searches. The first result comes from Google itself, and then another website, then another website. Number 3 is vlog. So do you understand what kind of competition you have to face in order to be on the top page of Google? They started early, they are doing hard competition with other competitors, and finally they made it. Of course, they are popular. What are the odds that you can get a chance on the top page of Google? Very low. Because I can guarantee you, what we found it today is already found by hundreds, if not thousands of other people. They saw the potential, they already built it, and they are trying their best to get on top of Google. So this is no longer an opportunity. So lesson 1 from this video, take opportunities early. Don't wait for others to win big. You see them, they are winning, others are following. You keep seeing, keep watching, keep waiting. And when the opportunity is no longer an opportunity, you're thinking about it. It won't work that way. So here is what we do. We use AI to learn about newest and biggest opportunities that are upcoming. They haven't arrived yet. And we use AI to learn fast. Now, when you are on budget, you cannot just adopt an upcoming opportunity upfront because you don't have a lot of money to spend on trying something new. But you can always spend your time with AI and learn fast. Then you do 2 things. Number 1, use what you learned and make short form content, which is also called short form videos. What you're going to do with them, I'm going to come back, but before that, let me tell you how to make money. In order to make money, you do not create anything. Instead, you use done-for-you opportunities, products, and services. And this is called affiliation or affiliate marketing. In this method, you do not need to create your own product or offer. You do not need to create a website. You do not need to sell. You do not need to ship anything to your customers. Heck, you don't even need to provide customer support because all are done for you. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to use these videos that you made and publish them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms will send free customers to the affiliate offer that you are promoting. And when these people buy something from you, you make money. And in our case, it's a bit different. We send these people to our AI-powered automated funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Now, did you see what happened here? We use AI to learn fast. So we don't have to waste time. And we do not have to build offer, websites, selling, shipping, customer support, nothing. Because we use done for you system. All we do is use our knowledge that we learned using AI and make short form content and publish them on high traffic platforms like this. And through the system, we get free customers to our affiliate offers who go through this AI powered automated done for you sales funnel. And when there is a sale, we make money. Super simple. Now, the whole thing may look rocket science to you because you are not aware of how to build something like this. But for our beginner students, is pretty simple because we do everything for them. All the technical stuff completely done for you. And that's why David Moore, who has a 9-to-5 day job, lives in UK, earns $750 for one sale. The sale that he didn't even do himself. Osman lives in Turkey. He has a 9-to-5 day job and he loves to travel. Osman traveled to over 150 countries. He made that $500 commission without even knowing that he's making money. A week before, he earned another $1,000 commission. Recently, Osman made a $947 commission. Tash Murphy lives in UK and she's a busy mom. This $500 commission is one of multiple commissions she made. Daniel lives in Pakistan and he's a medical student. To be honest, he doesn't have any time for any kind of side hustle or main hustle or anything. And that $450 commission was a pleasant surprise for Daniel. Peter lives in Singapore. He has a 9-to-5 day job. One day he got this notification on his phone that he earned $500 commission for one sale that he didn't even try himself. I can go on and tell you the stories of our members. All these members joined our program as a complete beginner. It was super easy for them to learn the power of digital marketing and actually make money fast because the whole system is 99% done for you. If you want to know more details, check the link in the description. The link will take you to this training video. Watch this video from start to end and you will learn everything about what we do with digital marketing, how we help our beginner members. And if you have any questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It will give you every answer that I will give. And if you're still not happy, you can always DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. And to learn more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.